Welcome, welcome. I got some birthday money and I decided that I was going to start my project on making my Violet Evergarden cosplay. I've been thinking about it a lot and I just want to do it. So I'm about to go to Joann's and sit there for like a very long time, and I kind of just wanted to bring you with me. I'm going to try to remember to videotape while I'm there looking through stuff. We'll see how it goes. All right, I've made it to Joanne. You can't see it. Can't see any of that. But I made it to Joann's, and so I'm gonna go in there and spend a hot while figuring out patterns and stuff. So here we go. 2-3 hours later, and too much money later. Not gonna talk about it. I got all the goodies ready to start this project.
Oh, yee.
Yee. I'm so proud of my braids today. I'm pretty shocked at myself. I'm getting better, slowly but surely. I guess we're going to jump into it. I went to Joanne. Did I tell you I went to Joann's? And how much I
spent? Yeah, because you had a problem with the gift cards that you had.
Yes. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I want to say how much I spent, but it was in the hundreds. Okay, hundreds.
As good cosplay projects are.
Well, because I think I overshot it, but I got some. I want to show you my stuff that I got.
Ooh.
Okay, all of these are going into the Violet Evergarden cosplay.
Oh.
All 4 of these. At this time, I would like the audience to know that I do know how to count. That is, in fact, 5, not 4. Yeah, I have to figure it out. So I'm using this part. I'm using this part for the bottom right here, and maybe a little bit of the top, like making it go all the way up to the top. This one's just for the skirt because it was a perfect length for the skirt, and I'm lazy and I don't know how to make a skirt. I literally don't know how to make anything without a pattern.
I just got a skirt for banter.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, but this one doesn't have pleats, and I think you want pleats. No, this is just loose fabric, and it's gonna have
like pleats.
I mean, it kind of. I think. No, it's just gathered at the top. It's just gathered. I mean, if you look closer, it's just gathered.
Oh, okay.
Pleats are like sewn in stuff. I'll get you. I'm gonna get you a pattern for banter skirt, and let me tell you, you will love it. That's the skirt. It's gonna be multi-layered. It's gonna be a lot. And then this is. I literally just got this for the sleeves.
Queen.
I needed ruffle sleeves, and I don't know how to make ruffles. I just don't know how to make anything. And this is, I think the jacket. The jacket and the top. The jacket and the top. I don't know why I bought this other one then. No. Yeah. And then this is also part of the jacket. I got like there's just a lot. I needed options.
Combined will give you the Violet Evergarden flow.
I'm really hoping I do. And then I gotta show you my. Oh man, I forgot my fabric all the way over there. Hold on a second. So I'm sorry if you talk. Are you just singing?
Yeah.
I'm missing it.
Baby, you should let me love you. Let me.
How dare you?
Nothing here.
So this is her jacket. It is a very heavy, like 100% cotton. I was debating on jean or not, if I should do a jean, but that's that. I don't want to break too many needles, so I got this for the jacket. This is also a cotton, very heavy. This is for the skirt. So there's like 2 parts to the skirt. This will be like the sides of the skirt and also the ruffle. And underneath it will be this pretty brown that I found. That's also cotton. That looks really good on screen. Yeah, very confident in my colors. All right, and then
Brown's my favorite color.
Brown's your favorite color?
Yeah.
I had no idea. I'm so glad I know that now.
Wait, what's your favorite color? I don't know yours either. does it change by the day?
I used to say it was rainbow because I love all I just love color. And then I got the final one, which is this is her shirt. And it is a very soft linen. I mean, you could see it's like practically see-through. I mean, it is so soft.
Yeah, I can see the light going through it.
Yeah, and it's got kind of like a little, like you see the lines in it, kind of like ruffles.
Yes. Yeah.
So this is gonna be her top and the front of the skirt.
Okay.
I might have to double layer it because it's so soft. But because if you see on her picture on her shirt, it looks like it's striped. But I don't think it's striped because I think it's just anime trying to illustrate that it's a linen type of top. And those are the shadows. If not, that's the way I'm interpreting it because I don't have straps. Wow, I just shook my entire desk. Sorry, desk. So, yeah, that's all my stuff, Brynn. I got lots of stuff, and I probably over yarded it. I'm pretty sure I got 7 yards of basically everything, and I know. Like the lady's cutting it out, and she's like, you know, I'm like, do I need 7 yards? I mean, what do I do? I don't know. And the lady's like, well, you're really small, so I would think because I'm short. I'm only 5 foot tall, and you know, I'm only 130. No, 100. No, yeah, 130 pounds, 135, whatever. So she was like, you're small. You probably don't need this much. And I'm like, well, I don't know. Okay. Anyway, I guess today what I'm going to work on is piecing all these together on my mannequin and then hopefully come up with a good pattern for the whole entire thing before I even cut in the fabric. Does that seem fair? Does that seem like that's a good plan?
Because it does. And I think it's fine that you got extra because if you mess up, you have more.
That's what I was accounting for too.
Because this is your first time making your own cosplay, right?
No, I've made Lady Asteria's dress.
Oh yeah.
That big ball gown. So
yeah.
it's not very, I mean it's good. It's much better than my very first cosplay, which was Belle's dress, and that was just horrendous. I go too big. I could have started with something small, but I did not.
Bold.
Uh-huh. Massive fail. An expensive fail too. I think that's it.
Now you just gotta start.
It's gonna be great. Goal is to get this done by October. It's August.
That's a good goal. You work on it a little every day.
Yeah. Alright, so kind of what I ended up doing is to try to keep everything organized is I would basically write down the pattern that I was using and the pieces I would use within that pattern. And this took a very long time to do. After writing down that information, I would literally cut in 1 or 2 pieces out of a massive pattern, and that took about 3 hours of just figuring out what pieces I need and to double check and just really tear apart this project. And poor Brynn had to keep me entertained throughout this whole thing. Thanks, Brynn. So when I did that and I was finished with a certain pattern, I would take the pieces that I didn't use, which was usually a lot, and stuff it back very awkwardly into its original packaging for later uses. And then I ended up getting a large Ziploc baggie and writing down my cosplay and stuffing the pieces I would need back in there. It just really makes everything all tidy, and I would just repeat this process. over each pattern, and I think I had 5. Yeah. Took a while, but I'm organized, so I don't lose my mind, which I'm going to by the end of this.
Have you reached the end of what you can do with it? You want to look one more time?
No, I think I got it. I think I got everything that I need. I just need to wash that, cut it all on the fabric, and hope to God I did it right. Maybe review it one more time, like lay them all out.
Yeah.
And look at it. And then cut it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna write it down. I write everything down. I feel so like
No, it's
dumb.
good to write everything down.
Gosh, this is gonna be hard. Brynn, why did I do that?
Because it's fun.
Is it? Is it fun?
It is fun.
Do you see my face? Does this look like fun to you?
But you're smiling.
I am. Don't be sensible in here. That's not what.
It's insensible in here. So make all of your clothes. You are having 7 yards of all that linen here. Okay.
This is our official ending.
This is our official ending.
It's just like the beginning.
This is just our pose now.
Next
time we will be cutting the pieces and then seeing where whimsy takes us.
Basically, where the cosplay gods wants to take us. We're done. We have to end this before we just.
We're done.
We're done. Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Oh, wait.